Alright. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see here at my hands, I have the lovely Elgato Stream Deck. Now, I always wanted this as a child, and I have received this. So, gotta bring out my good old kitchen knife. And then, all we have to do is do this. Oh, what bam. Let's see if the camera can see this. Beautiful. Honestly. It's so beautiful. Put that there. Oh my god, it feels so satisfying. I honestly wanted this like forever, but it's so satisfying. There's two different flaps. There's this big one, and then there's these two little ones here. So here's different options you could do. You could do it without the stand. Have it flat out like this. It's already leveled. I mean, I guess it's already like slanted and stuff like that. Wow, this thing, you could use the stand to plop on this. And then you could do it like at different heights. You could do it because here's the little slots you could put it. So let's try the two flaps. We'll call it two flaps. So you got the two flaps that's coming out of this thing. So depending on how low you guys want it, this would like make it like the two flaps would make it like lower but a little higher than it usually is. So it's at a good height, but it's not facing towards you. It's not pointing at you. You can't see like all the icons, you can only see a few. But if you want to see like all the icons and make it like a really good height, let's put it at this one. And then all we have to do is put it like that. And it's at a good height where you can see all the icons. Guys, so I already messed around with the settings. I'll show you like things that are really beneficial. Here, let me just do it just webcam mode. Alright, so I already messed around the settings with this Stream Deck. There's things I already added that I haven't shown you guys before. So let me just show you guys a few things, and then I'll show you how I do in the software, why you guys should buy this Stream Deck. So one of the things I bought it is for like Spotify, so I could, let's just open to the live scene real quick. All I have to do is click the Spotify button, takes me to Spotify. Let's look up non-copyrighted music. There we go. There, we have non-copyrighted music right now. Now, hold on, let me just make it a little bit brighter so you guys can see what's going on. There you go. So, I have a pause button, a skip button, go back, and then a skip button. this increases the volume, this mutes the volume, and then this lowers the volume. Now the thing is, let me show you how I did. I'll show you guys how I did it. So you go to Systems, which is right here. Go to Multimedia, and then you basically choose like which function you want to do. But the problem with this is to actually control Spotify, you have to have like Spotify Premium to like access it. But an easier way to do it is just like the multimedia function. So all I have to do is just click this, it pauses the music. Click this again, it plays the music again. If I click the skip button, it skips to the next song. And then if I was listening through my headphones, I could like increase the volume, lower the volume, and just mute it. But right now I can't because it's not on my headphones. It only works for my headphones with these things. So right now it's on my speakers. Another function I like is this zoom function. Let me show you. So let's go back to live scene. Alright, back. Alright, so this is for all you like online student people. So basically the functions I have is the button that opens the application, and then once I'm in it, this button can mute my microphone, so that mutes my microphone. This opens my video and closes my video, which I can't do it right now because I'm using my OBS thing. Let's see if I no, I don't think I can. And then if I were like, if there's more people in here, I could switch it to gallery mode or speaker mode, and then I could switch it. I can open chat. It's right there, and then in the participants tab, there's a thing called raise your hand. It's not on here because I'm not with anyone. So if I did, it would show like a icon over here, which is like raising my hand. But yeah, those are the cool functions, and I'll show you how I did that. So you go to settings, and then there's this thing called hotkeys. Switch to speaker view. I did Alt plus O. I did Alt O. You could do like whatever you guys are do. You could change the shortcut or the hotkey as whatever, but make sure you have it as enabled global shortcut. So then what happens to that is we go to systems again. We go to hotkey. We could do Alt. We could do Alt O, and now pop up right here. So then if we click that, it'll switch to speaker view. But it doesn't work right now. It wouldn't work because we don't have anyone to test it with. But yeah, that's a cool feature with the Zoom. This is also cool for like teachers too. So what teachers could do, let's see, let's go to settings. What they could do, they could do this. They could do mute they could do mute or /unmute audio from everyone except the host. And then they could start or stop local recording, or start or stop cloud recording, or pause or resume the recording, or enter or exit full screen mode, show or hide the chat panel or the participants panel, open invite window, end the meeting, begin remote control, read active speaker name, you could screenshot, they could go to previous chat, they could go to next chat, jump to chat with someone, search, they can mute, they can unmute call. There's so many things that a teacher can do. So I think this is like very beneficial during these times. It's beneficial for teachers during this online learning to like use this macro pad. Another feature I like about it is here's my let me show you other stuff before I show you the last feature. This is my editing places. I have After Effects, Adobe Premiere Pro, Movie Studio, and Photoshop. Then you got Discord. Doesn't make the sound, I don't know why. But you can see that it's basically unmuting and mute, and then you could do deafen, and then you could turn that off. And then whenever I'm in like a group chat, I could share. But yeah, that's the Discord. Twitter, if I need to tweet something, here's what I have. This is what I did my last live stream. Here. So this is what I did for my last live stream. This is like to open like the Twitter page. Another cool thing is you can like add GIFs. So as you can see here, there's like GIFs right here. I also like put GIFs on this thing too. We got Among Us, we got Minecraft, we got Kovacs, we got Warzone, and then we got Fortnite. And then this launches the app. It's really cool. Now the main reason why I bought this is this thing. So let's see if I could turn down the brightness for you guys to see it clearly. There we go. That should be good enough. Let's go to webcam. Alright, yeah, that's good enough. So right now it shows that I'm recording right now. What I did, so these things, these are my scenes. I could do it at start scene, in game scene, be right back scene, and then ending scene. I'll go back to the webcam. I don't have the webcam thing. This thing, this shows how many viewers are watching. Shows how many people that are watching currently in my stream. This mutes my music. This mutes my microphone. This mutes my game. And then this auto clips things I'm doing on the stream. So if I did something crazy during the stream, I just have to click this and it clips. If I want to run an ad, it'll be like let's see what I have it as. It will be a 1 minute ad. If I want to go live, I'll click the live button and it'll make me go live. Now here's another thing. This is like the chat feature. So we open this. This will launch Twitch. This will post a message on the chat saying pogs in chat, and then this will slow down chat. This will clear chat. This make it followers only. This make it sub only, and this make it emote only. So then let's go back in game. There we go. Now let me show you. See, so it opens my Twitch. If you haven't already, go follow my Twitch. I'm mostly streaming on I'm mostly streaming Fortnite. honestly, but um, I would like to like stream other things, but I have no other ideas on what to stream on. But if you guys have any ideas, let me know. So yeah, that opens to my Twitch page, and then what else? That's basically it, honestly. So yeah, guys, that's the Elgato Stream Deck. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. I answer them as soon as possible. So if you guys have any questions about like what the other features does it have, I'll explain that. Where you could buy it, I have the cheaper way. The cheaper way that I bought it was like in the Corsair website, because the Amazon website they make it a little more expensive, but Cyber Monday's coming up during this time I upload this video. So if you guys want to buy the Stream Deck on Cyber Monday, this is a good idea on buying it. Mostly because you can mess around with this part, so you could do for streaming if you want to become a streamer, or if you're like an educator or a student, you could go use the Zoom feature and then use those modes. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.